In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the value chart indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. We'll move through this step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll have the value chart indicator added to your chart and you'll know exactly where to adjust its settings to match your trading style. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. This can be any market or time frame you usually trade. Once your chart is visible, look at the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually near the toolbar above your price chart. Go ahead and click that. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add anything new to your chart. Inside that window, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click directly into the search bar so your cursor is active and ready for typing. This is where you're going to look up the value chart indicator. Now start typing the words value chart indicator into the search bar. As you type, TradingView will begin filtering the list below. Give it a second if your internet is a bit slow. Once the results load, look through the list for the specific value chart indicator you want to use. When you see it, click on the name one time. As soon as you do that, the indicator will be added to your chart automatically. After the value chart appears on your chart, you'll want to fine-tune it so it works better for you. To do that, move your mouse over to the indicator's name, usually shown either on the chart or in the data window below. You'll see a small settings icon, which looks like a gear. Click on that to open the settings panel. Inside the settings, you can adjust things like the calculation inputs, colors, line thickness, and overall style. Take a moment to review each tab so you understand what you're changing. If you're just starting out, you might want to leave the default inputs as they are and only adjust the colors and visuals to make the indicator easier to read. When you're happy with your settings, click OK or close the window to apply those changes. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want to use the same tools and layout shown here, use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you can follow along exactly and get access to all the features you need to trade with the value chart indicator efficiently.